Many thanks to wonderful people who have done this, but there are lots of free Photoshop brushes out there on the internet. I'm going to do a Google search for free Photoshop brushes. And oh my goodness, look at the list. There are tons of them. Smoke brushes, watercolor brushes, lightning brushes, all kinds of brushes. How about that? Even bubble brushes. All right. So let's say I want the brushes, the smoke brushes. I can download them. And here they come. Looks like they've downloaded, so I'm going to go to my downloads folder. And there it is. It came down as a zip archive, so I'm going to unzip it by double-clicking on it. And there's the ABR file, free smoke brushes. Now I'll show you how to bring them into Photoshop. In Photoshop, I'm in my brush tool, and I'm going to go up to the brush panel in the options bar, over to the gear icon, and import a brush. I had saved that brush to my downloads folder, so I'll go there. There it is. I'll click on it and click open. You'll see that I have a brand new folder here full of several smoke brushes. I'm going to click on one of them. Wow, that's amazing. It's a huge brush. Let me undo that, and I'm going to make the brush a lot smaller. And that's how you import a brush into Photoshop.